There's times when your fabrics are going to unravel and need some type of overlock stitch to really make them secure along those edges. You can use a zigzag, but you have a few other stitches on the Singer Tradition sewing machine that will really look nice. So this one right here with the blue, I've turned the stitch length to the S1. That's how you get from the black stitches to the blue stitches, and made the stitch width all the way up to 5. So the stitch actually goes off the edge. So notice that the fabric is not running really far past the edge of the foot. It's actually running so that when the needle goes down on the right side of the stitch, it actually is going in air. Now there are some other stitches that you can use as well. The next one over, let's just actually do that, and we'll just leave it so you can really see the difference. But both these stitches are really good for securing the unraveling edges, and then that way it doesn't, it looks like you've used a serger. So here is what it's going to look like. And you're right, even if you do have a serger or an overlock machine, there's times where you just need to go a short distance, and maybe the serger still has black thread on it from the last project that you did, and you don't need that black thread, you need white. So instead of just changing it all the way around just for something short, pick one of the stitches that jumps to the right to cover up that edge. So here's just another little item that kind of can give you that same idea. This is a t-shirt, like a neckline, and some ribbing that we're going to apply. Same thing, guide it so that the needle, when it jumps off the edge, kind of goes off the edge of the fabric. And you usually want to have like a ballpoint needle on when you're working with knits. That way it doesn't actually cut into the fabric. So I'm just guiding it around, but what you're going to notice when I show you the finished result here is that because this stitch actually has a straight line and the jump, you're getting both a seam and an overcast all in one. So you don't have to go back and do anything. It's all been complete for you. That should give us enough to give us an idea. Plus, being that it needs to have some stretch and give, this will also have just that, the give that we need to put it over our head or such, but all done in one step, the seam, the overcast, and the stretch.